Hi everyone! Let's make a rainbow. We should place a bowl, fill it with water and put the piece of mirror into it. Then let's catch the rainbow reflection from the water by mirror. The far we move, the bigger our rainbow gets. Let's try this again. Make sure light rays fall on the mirror and try to get its reflection on the opposite side. Look how beautiful our rainbow is. The same rainbow reflection fell on a wall and I had a lot of fun with it and took some cool pics with my rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet, which is Gaya in reverse. Try this and you will have lots of fun. Bye-bye.